The ASMR is real. What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and when I'm not hacking, I'm literally eating. I mean, I do eat a lot of my hacks. That's what today's video is all about. Food-inspired back-to-school supplies. It's a mouthful, but it's a thing. For our first hack, we have a chip bag pouch. And you're probably wondering, that's literally just Cheetos, Goldie. No, it's not. Well, it was. It's like a dead Cheeto bag. This is literally just like upcycling trash. It's just trashy chic. Get it? It looks like trash. An old chip bag. But instead of just throwing it away, we made it. That was way more epic in my mind. And the best thing about it, you get to eat first. And you're just like, Mom, this is for school supplies. For this DIY, you'll need an empty chip bag, a zipper, and duct tape. First, flatten the chip bag into a rectangle and clean it out. Now line it with tape. Staple the zipper on both ends of the chip bag. Now staple all the open edges, cover it in tape, and flip inside out. Pencils in and zip to it. People won't steal your pencils or your pencil pouch because they're gonna think that like this is food. I mean, they might ask for Doritos and they're gonna be like, pranked you. Why is there a pipe cleaner in there? And for our second hack, we have a pizza notebook. It's literally the best thing between food and a notebook. It's the two things you need at school. Just look at those little pizzas. They're so cute. I was literally eating pizza at lunch and then I had to go back into school and I was like, I want the smell of pizza and I also want the look of pizza. But like, you can't bring food to class. You can basically take the lunch spirit with you. It kind of calms me down because after lunch, I'm like very rowdy in 5th period. And like, that's why everybody hates like 5th period children because we're like, oh my God, food. But yeah, this will calm you down, zen. For this DIY, you'll need polymer clay, yellow chalk pastel, liquid Sculpey, dried oregano, clay tools, and a notebook. First, create your mini pizza crusts out of clay. Mix your Sculpey with the oregano, and then drop it onto the pizza. Add little red and yellow bits of clay to top the pizza. Cut some of the pizzas and bake it all to set the clay. Now super glue onto the notebook. One yummy notebook coming right up. The really cool thing about this is you can customize it with any food that's your favorite. My favorite lunch food is definitely pizza because pizza. But you know, if you like a good chicken nugget, sushi. Oh, I love sushi. I think I'm gonna make another sushi one. But like, you can never bring sushi to school because then it goes bad. And then you can't have like bad sushi because then you're gonna get sick. But anyway, that's cool. I'm gonna try to flip it like a pizza. And for our last hack, we have Gumball Erasers. So it's literally what it sounds like. I keep saying literally a lot in this episode. I'm getting literally to the point. It looks so cute. It actually looks like a gumball machine. I mean, it doesn't actually work, But if you could get it to work, that would be really cool. Set it up. We get a lot of compliments because everyone's like, girl, what is that? You're like, I made it. It's Gumball Erasers. You're just erasing. You're just writing an essay, doodling, if you will. And then you mess up. You're like, oh no. Oh, shoot, this has an eraser. Oh no, I don't have an eraser. Then you erase it. Beautiful job. Put it back. Put the cap back on. And then everyone's like, oh, I need to erase things. You just be like, take one. Because like, you have so many of them. And if you're feeling a blue eraser, you can get a blue eraser. If you're feeling a yellow eraser, you get a yellow eraser. It's super simple. For this DIY, you'll need a small paper cup, acrylic paint, plastic ornament, soda tab, Sculpey eraser clay, red bottle cap, a bead, and Mod Podge. Roll a bunch of erasers and let them set. Next, paint all the pieces of your gumball machine. Then glue all your pieces together. Now, put all the gumball erasers inside of the ornament and place it on top. Voila! And did you know that the first ever eraser, before like erasers were invented, was bread? Seriously. The Japanese were just like writing on like their parchment paper, and they're like, oh no, I messed up. And they're like, Joe, I have a hack. The original hacker was just like, bro, I have a hack. And he's like, what? I need to erase this. This is a very important document. Joe, that's bread. And I made a kazoo. He tries it out and he's like, that's the best thing since sliced bread. That was rough. That is it for my video today. I hope you guys liked these food-inspired back-to-school supplies hacks. That was a lot. Comment down below what your favorite was, because mine was the chip bag pouch. Make sure to like this video if you liked it and subscribe for more DIYs every Friday and Saturday. Make sure to hit that notification bell to be part of the hashtag early squad. And the weekly Goldie Squad shout out goes to Sienna Watson. It's a fellow waffle lover. We love that. And that's it. GoldieBlox is signing off.